Welcome back, and this time we have the Fall 2024 GQ Best Stuff box. I've been skipping these, but this box was actually pretty good, so I wanted to make a short video to highlight this box. This box contains 6 physical items and 1 coupon. First, we have the Rain Addis Fleece Half Zip, valued at $105. On the site, it seems you can even get the female version if you want to get this for your wife or girlfriend. Next was this Gainful Max Recovery Hydration Kit. It came with a good amount of them. I opened one up to try right away and it tasted really good. The flavor was tropical mango, and they also had a promo code GQ40 for 40% off their site. Always a favorite from the box is cologne, and this one is from Anthony's, valued at $75. I thought the spray bottle looked cool and it smelled okay, but it was a big bottle of cologne, so I'll definitely get a lot of uses out of this. As if they knew, GQ included a travel nail grooming set valued at $65, and this set really doesn't skimp. I was developing an ingrown on my big toes, so this came just in time, although I have no idea how to use all of this quite yet, and I think it's a little pricey on the suggested retail side. I love it when GQ includes full-size stuff, and we got 2 in this box. This is the Natural Lab Tokyo, a 2-in-1 shampoo scrub valued at $19. It has a nice salt-like texture and smelled like really nice yuzu. Next up was this Southern Scholar Lehman's half calf sock valued at $25. Personally, I haven't really liked any of the socks from the boxes yet, but at least this one looks kind of dressy, so at least it's usable. Last, we got a 50% off coupon from Doer. They make premium pants and I've always wanted to try a pair. The price ranges from $70 to $150, and they make quite a large assortment of styles and fits now. So that's the quarterly box from GQ. It is now priced at $60 per or $47 each annually. Honestly, this one feels respectable even with the smaller number of items than average. They feel more substantial this time. If you want to get yours, I linked the GQBox site down below. They'll have some sort of promotion for the box if you want it. Plus, if you have the Amex Platinum card, check your offers. There may be coupons there as well.